2019 question 30. Under Armour has 11 billion in equity, 700 million in debt, EBIT of 300 million growing at 6% forever. The corporate tax rate is 20%. If corporate taxes were abolished, what would the enterprise value of Under Armour be? This is actually, it feels like a really complicated problem, but it's not. You have equity of 11 billion and debt of 0.7. So that means that your enterprise value is going to be the two added together. You have a tax benefit of debt. I think your tax rate is just 20%. Your tax benefit of debt is 0.7 times 0.2. So, and there's no bankruptcy cost in here. They don't talk about that at all. So we're going to assume that the only benefit to or drawback to debt is that you have a tax benefit. In that case, it's a benefit, not a drawback. So that means that the enterprise value without debt is just going to be this minus that. So from here, what we can think about is that we have some EBIT, and then we have some taxes, and we have some post-tax profit. So you subtract these two. So for instance, if we had $100 and the taxes were $20, then our post-tax profit would be 80. And what we find is that the NPV is the sum of all these things. So if we get rid of this forever, our value of our company, our enterprise value, and make this bigger, goes from 80 to 100. The question is how we would get from the 80 to the 100. And the answer is we would do 80 divided by 1 minus the tax rate, which is 0.2. And that gives us 100. And so the question is not about the tax benefit of debt, and it has nothing to do with EBIT growing at 6% forever. All it says is if corporate taxes were abolished. If you have no corporate taxes, then that means that the enterprise value is just the enterprise value divided by 1 minus the tax rate. And the answer is 14.45, which is, I don't have the solutions in front of me, but that is the solution. Hope that helps.